Hey guys, so we are going to take a final tour of one of our studio rooms. This is the room here, so just to give you an example of what a studio room looks like. All done up thanks to TNS. So our landlord client chose the dressing colour scheme. She's gone with orange and white, and that goes really well with the grey walls, so grey carpets and white walls. And the reason we go for the white walls and grey carpets and the sort of the neutral furniture is because we want to present a blank canvas for our tenants. They'll come in and they'll dress their soft furnishing with the latest design, whatever's in trend at the time. And right now, I'm guessing it's orange and white. And then that will add a lot of colour, personality to the room. But when tastes change, that's really cost effective. We'll just change that essentially, but we'll still have this lovely blank canvas, which will never change. You're never going to get bored of a classic look like white and grey and a bit of wood there. So yeah, as I said, this is a studio. Under counter fridge, freezer, sink, oven and hob, extractor fan. We've got a pantry here, which is a really nice addition. Loads of storage there, so it's a double chest of wardrobe with a chest of drawers underneath, as well as a chest of drawers there, and a bedside cabinet, and a table, a dining table, and a chair, and sort of a little studio area. Loads of natural light from the windows, nice neutral grey blackout curtains. Again, you just want to have as much curb appeal as possible, look as modern as possible, because tenants want modern looking properties. They don't necessarily want crazy wild designs, they just want modern classic looking properties. And that's probably because landlords have a reputation for having very old designs. But anyway, hopefully that's been helpful. So sorry, down here, where is it? Yes, it's this side. So there's plenty of storage. And that's really important. So we'd want a bed with cutouts, but we want these really sturdy ones. And we got these from Yardley Wood Furniture Store, Baba. Absolutely great service, great prices, really good for it. In fact, let me try to show you. So this is the bedside cabinet. So the gloss finish, easy to clean, nice natural look, easy to clean. Likewise, that mirror is quite helpful. It obviously it's quite functional, but it also gives the sense of a greater sense of space for tenants. So if you're interested in this furniture, I'd highly recommend it. They obviously do have different designs, but this is our favourite design range, and which is basically white and oak. I think that's it really. Yeah. So viewing started. We've already let one of the rooms here. I've just finished dressing this, and I'm going to now I've just finished taking marketing pictures and videos as well. In a situation like this, although we design everything else, I always suggest maybe to our client that this is where they can add their personal touch, because I would never, like somebody else would never be able to pick this certain look, because it's very personal to our client. And if we're churning over properties 5 or 6 or 8 a year, they're all going to look the same. So it's much better that the landlord client at this stage, or the investor at this stage, has an input to add their personal touch to it, and it looks great. Because I definitely wouldn't have done this. I just wouldn't have that creativity. Anyway, my name's Nguyen. We manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. If you like this sort of stuff, please don't forget to like and follow for more. So we're in Edgbaston. We manage that property over there. Really nice landlords actually. All right, see you.